My name's Jake Dohm. I'm from Madison, Wisconsin. A few years ago, when my wife and I moved into our house, we ended up having some water problems in the basement. It seemed like every spring we would go downstairs, and with the snow melt and the rain that we were getting from that spring, we would always have some kind of water saturation. It tended to get into our carpets and around some of our other personal property that we always thought was damaging. We didn't know if this would be dangerous from mold or any other mildew or water problems that could potentially be happening. So it was concerning. We thought maybe after 1 year it was just a wet year, but it continued to happen year after year. So I called Tri-State Basements along with several other basement companies, and Tri-State was definitely the most professional and the most timely in terms of what we needed. They understood our problem, that we had these issues, and it was concerning for us. So they came, and from start to finish, it was just a true pleasure to work with them. They were very respectful of our home, and they did not stop until the problem was solved. There was a few steps that they needed to take to make sure that everything was done correctly and solve the problem. And I can truly say that they saved our basement. I work in the real estate field, and I work with a lot of other property owners, whether it be business or homes. And anytime I hear somebody that has any basement problems or water issues in their property, I always recommend Tri-State Basements.